Fourth problem. Fourth problem. If 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5, 4 points are the vertices of a parallelogram. Taken in order, find x and y. 4 points given, vertices of a parallelogram. Taken in order, find x and y. First given points A, B, C, D. Take A, B, C, D. Condition: diagonals of parallelogram. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect to each other. Bisect to each other. This is the condition. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect to each other. In parallelogram, diagonals are bisect to each other. Anyone correct? This is the parallelogram. A, B, C, D points. In condition: in parallelogram, diagonals are bisect to each other. Diagonals AC diagonal, BD diagonal bisect to each other here. Each other. This condition means diagonals are bisect to each other. This condition means midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC, this is the midpoint of BD, this is the equal. Diagonals are bisect to each other means midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Condition: diagonals bisect to each other means midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Midpoint of AC formula: x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2. Midpoint of A12, C x, 6. This is the midpoint of AC. Equal compulsory, y bisect. Midpoint of BD, B 4, y, D 3, 5. x1, y1, x2, y2. Formula: substitute. x1 plus x2 by 2, 1 plus x by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. Here BD 4 plus 3 by 2, y1 plus y2, y plus 5 by 2. X plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 6, 8 by 2. 4 plus 3, 7 by 2. Y plus 5 by 2. This is the comparing the corresponding terms. Comparing first term, second term, or condition. If condition, this one also correct. If x, y equal to a, b, then first term x equal to a, y equal to b. This one also right. First term x plus 1 by 2 equal to 7 by 2. First x coordinate equal 8 by 2 equal to y plus 5 by 2. Comparing the corresponding terms. First term equal. Second term equal. Here cross multiplication. This is the cross multiplication. 2 into x plus 1 equal to 7 into 2. Here both sides into 2 cancel, or direct 2 cancel, by, or into 2 cancel, or direct 2 cancel. Anyone correct? X plus 1 equal to 7. X equal to plus 1 becomes a minus. 7 minus 1, 6. That's same. Cross multiplication. 2 1s 2 4s. 2 1s 2 4s. 8 by 2 equal to y plus 5 by 2. 2 1s 2 4s. Cross multiplication. 4 into 2 equal to y plus 5 into 1. Cross multiplication. Y plus 5 into 1. Y plus 5 into 1. Y plus 5. Y plus 5 here. If x is equal to y, then y also equal to x. Anyone correct? X is equal to y equal to x. Y plus 5 equal to 8. Y equal to 8 plus 5 becomes minus 5. Y equal to 3. X equal to 6, y equal to